Okay, big news today. The last time this engine has run was May 2013 when I had a little electrical fire and ended up redoing the engine. I was going to do it anyway, but it moved it ahead. Redid the engine compartment, upgraded all the wiring, upgraded the control panel, which I not only updated it, but also a higher level one, and updated all the, really improved all the wiring on the motor to an upgraded model. Anyway, a lot of work, a lot of time. I mean, it's been since May 2013. Been working on this engine off and on, getting it ready. It's basically a new engine from the top up. Reverso pump, Raycor fuel filter. We primed it today, got it all together. So here we go. There's the engine. And the engine control panel is in the lazarette. Moved from that location right there, so that this will never have any water intrusion. So here we go. See if it starts. And there it is. Success. Got an electric fuel pump with that little button is a momentary switch. Got a pressure gauge, all painted nice. New alternator, water pump. Dampener plate, a lot of other stuff. Anyway, I'm only a week, 2 weeks away from Catalina, and I'm jazzed. Captain Rico, over and out for now.